Welcome to the Diecast channel. Today we got a P case unboxing. Let's take a look, see what's inside, see if we get any supers. Alright. Alright, let's take a look. What do we got? We got the Jeep Scrambler. You got the Porsche 928 Safari. We got the Subaru WRX STI. Next three. We got the Mad Splash, the Solero GT, and the Fast Felon. Alright. Next, we got the 2020 Dodge Charger Hellcat. We got the Custom 68 Camaro. Sweet. We got the 69 Dodge Charger 500. And then the next three. We got the recolor of the Land Lowrider. We got the Gold Batmobile. And we got the HW Water Bomber. Alright. We got the recolor of the Corvette C706. Dodge Charger Drift. And the recolor of the Honda CRX 88. The blue's nice. And next three, we got the recolor, the Dodge 92 Viper RT10. We got the Bugatti Boulevard. Sweet. We got the 71 Plymouth GTX. And the next three, we got the H2Go, the Pass and Gasser, the Sand Burner, got the sweet 57 Jeep FC. Yeah, sweet. We got the Rockin' Railer. Got the hologram. Got another hologram. Another Passing Gasser. Another one of the 57 Jeep FC. Alright. We got the Lightning Bug. Got the recolor of the Honda Super Cup Custom. We got another Sand Burner. We got the 86 Ford Thunderbird Pro Stock. Yeah, another Passing Gasser. We got a Skyfire Airmatic. Next up, we got the Custom Small Block. Sweet. You got another one of the 88 Honda Civic C or Honda CRX. And sweet Lamborghini or Reventon. That one's sweet. Alright, let's get to the bottom of the case. Let's see what we got. We got the teed off 2. We got the Land Rover Defender 90. We got the HW 4-track. Got a gold Batmobile. The Fast Felon. We got the recolor of the GMC Hummer EV in the screen. Sweet. We got the Porsche 935. We got the new Ford F-150 Lightning Custom. That's a sweet truck. We got the 62 Corvette. It's a sweet ride too. And we did it. We pulled the Super. The Datsun Bluebird Wagon 510. Sick. Tesla Roadster in the orange. Team Twin Mail. Teed off 2. Land Rover Defender 90 again. You got an HW 4-track. We got the Brutinator. Got the recolor of the 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7 FC35. Got the Ford Bronco R. Got another, the Lamborghini Reventon. Another custom 68 Camaro. The sweet recolor of the 82 Cadillac Seville. Another Porsche 935. A Corvette C706. We got the Hot Wheels High. Alright. Another 89 Mazda Savannah RX-7. We got the 62 Corvette again. And the 84 Audi Sport Quattro. The recolor. Sweet color. Got the 80s El Camino. The new green. Another Hot Wheel High. And a Ford Bronco R. Another gold Batmobile. Another 92 Dodge Viper RT10. Recolor of the Jaguar I-Pace E Trophy in this white. Got the 20 Dodge Charger Hellcat. And we got the new recolor, the Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. Sweet. And then we got the Honda CB750 Cafe. So I think it's very clear. Know who the winner of the case is. Woo! So go ahead and pull that Supra. That's just sweet. Then we got the 62 Corvette. That was a good one. The Ford F-150 Lightning Custom was good. Can't go wrong with the Lamborghini Reventon. The custom 68 Camaro. Sweet design there. Really like the 88 CRX. The 57 Jeep FC. That's a sweet car. So, thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe. Thank you.